Here we have it, custom LUTs on. Oh my god, I sound so sleepy. So I recorded this video at 4 in the morning and I thought nobody would notice. And also I did a lot of hard drugs. A7S Mark III, it feels very nice seeing pretty much the final image on the camera itself while recording. Here's exactly how to update your A7S Mark III to firmware 4.0. First, make sure that your A7S Mark III is on version 3.01 or 3.02, and if it's not, make sure to update to those first. Then you need to download the actual software update itself from Sony's page, which I'll link in the description. The file will be named bodydata.dat, and we will use that in a bit. Make sure your camera is at 51% of charge or more, and honestly I would actually charge it fully before updating, just to be safe. Now make sure you transfer all of the videos and photos from the SD card to your computer or whatever place, because you'll need to format your SD card. So once you got all of your files, plug the SD card back into your camera and format it inside the camera through the camera settings. Then when that's done, take the SD card, put it in your computer and drag that file that we downloaded, the bodydata.dat file. Just drag it into the root of your SD card, then take the SD card out, put it back in your camera and make sure to put it in the slot 1. It will not work if you'll put it in the slot 2. Go to camera settings, setup, then setup option, version, and maybe you'll need to also go to body first, and then you'll see software update and you just need to execute that. So the screen will go black, and I actually didn't know that, and that was a bit spooky, but as long as that little light is blinking, you're good. The camera is updating, so just wait a few minutes and you'll have 4.0 installed. After a few minutes the screen will turn back on, and that's it. We have updated the camera and now we have the 4.0 installed with the custom LUTs and other things which I haven't mentioned. They're not that exciting, but I'll just put them right here.